Roger, Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Sounds good, 5901 to your Charlie, ready to taxi with Oscar at Atlantic.
Cirrus looking to taxi, did you pick up a clearance yet?
Negative, I'll get no response over there.
How do you expect to taxi without a clearance? Does this sound like you're like a small VFR airport or something?
Negative.
Stand by, I gotta get a clearance for you. I'm busy working air carriers, I don't care about your VFR requests.
Vegas Ground, good evening, Jet 598, signature Oscar, ready to taxi.
Jet 598, ground 19 right, taxi, hotel.
Vegas Ground, Jet 598, signature Oscar, ready to taxi.
Jet 598, ground 19 right, taxi, hotel.
19 right via hotel, Jet 598.
Cirrus looking for VFR request at a call sign altitude, and what's the airport? Wow, Cirrus calling for VFR clearance. Say again.
Yeah, I'm not getting any response from clearance on ATC.
Wow, calling, looking for response on clearance. Who is it?
Here's 5901 to your Charlie.
Sierra Charlie, confirm.
Affirmative, 1 Sierra Charlie.
1 Sierra Charlie, do you have information, Oscar?
Affirmative.
Well, apparently you didn't listen to it because it clearly states for the last 4 hours that clearance delivery is on 121.1. Stand by. Jet 598 monitored at 19.9.
19.9, Jet 598,
Cirrus 591 Sierra Charlie, say altitude and what's the airport?
I'm looking to get following to John Wayne Airport. We'll take 8,500, please. 591 to your Charlie.
Stand by. Cirrus 1 Sierra Charlie, have your clearance ready to copy.
Ready to copy.
Cirrus 1 Sierra Charlie, you're cleared out of class Bravo airspace on departure flight heading 175, maintain 7,000. Departure frequency on 125.9, squawk 4763.
Clear to the class Bravo on 175 headed, maintain 7,000, call 125.9 and squawk 4763 here, 591 to your Charlie.
1 Sierra Charlie, read back is correct. Just confirm where you parked at this time.
I'm at Atlantic and I'm ready to taxi now. 1 Sierra Charlie.
1 Sierra Charlie, Roger, get you moving here in a few minutes. I have 2 business jets ahead of you.